Jump right in, shall we? Dividend investing, a strategy that's all about cash flow and stability. But how do we ensure that a company can sustain, even grow its dividend payments? Enter fundamental analysis. Picture the corporation as a tree. Its dividend is the fruit. But a tree that doesn't have strong roots, a sturdy trunk, and healthy leaves can't bear quality fruit. Fundamental analysis, it's like examining the tree's health. First, we look at the company's earnings, its financial soil. A company with strong, consistent earnings is more likely to maintain its dividends. Next, the payout ratio, the amount of income used to pay dividends. A low payout ratio indicates that dividends are well covered by earnings. Lastly, free cash flow, the water that nourishes the tree. A company with strong cash flow can weather financial storms and keep dividends flowing. Remember, a healthy tree bears the best fruit. Fundamental analysis, it's the gardener's toolkit for dividend investing. Loop back if you need another run-through. Until next time, invest wisely.